Welcome. If you want to add widgets to your home screen in DOOGEE S80, at the first you have to click and hold on your home screen. Then tap on the widgets below, and right now we can pick widget that you want to attach to your screen. So for example, I'm going to make it with this dark Ampere application. So click, hold, and then drag it wherever you want. I'm going to put it, for example, here. Right now when I tap on this widget, unfortunately it's not working, so let me pick another one. Right now I'm going to pick analog clock. Click, hold, put it here. Right now it works. When I tap on it once, I can open the application that is linked with this widget. So in this case, it's simple clock. When you click and hold it, you can move it through the screens. And we can also resize. And also to remove, you have to click, hold, and then drag it in this place. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.